Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to select WS Form as a trigger and send data to Bit Integrations actions. At first, open the Bit Integrations dashboard and click on Create Integration button to create an integration. Now select WS Form as a trigger. You must have a WS Form Pro license to integrate WS Forms with Bit Integration actions. Otherwise, it shows WS Form is not installed or activated when you select WS Form as a trigger. Now you need to set up a few in WS Form. Here is the note, and follow the note step by step. Now go to WS Form and create a form or select any exacting form that you have already created. Now edit the form and follow the steps. Now navigate to Actions and create an action by clicking plus icon. Here you can change the action name of your preference. In the Action section, select Run WordPress Hook. Now select Type from the drop-down list, which is Action. In the Hook Tag field, copy the hook from the note and paste it into the Hook Tag field. If you want to send a file through Bit Integration via WS Form, you have to make some changes in the File Upload field. Now go to the File Upload field setting. Under File Handlers, select to WS Form, Public, and save. Now go to the Bit Integration. Select the form from the drop-down list that you connect with Actions and wait for a few seconds until the next button is active and click on the next button. After completing these steps, the actions will appear on a new page. Now select any action of your preference that you want to integrate with WS Form. I am selecting Zoho CRM. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Also select the data center from the drop-down list. To get the client ID and secrets, open your Zoho API console. I've already set up everything inside the Zoho API console. And I've already created the client ID and secret. To know how to set up the Zoho API console to integrate Zoho CRM, read our documentation about the Zoho CRM integration link in the description below. Now copy the client ID and secret and paste it into the integration setting. Now click on the Authorize button. After successfully authorizing, and click on the Next button. Select a module and layout from the drop-down list. Map all the mandatory CRM fields to the corresponding fields in your form. After mapping the desired fields, click on Next. To save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information and submit. After submitting the form, check your form submission. Also check Zoho CRM. Go to Integration Timeline, where you can check integration success or error status. Thanks for watching our video.